All right, picture this. It's a crisp fall afternoon. The air smells like pumpkins and bonfires, and you're riding your bike through a swirl of colorful leaves. Now, imagine turning that peaceful scene into an adorable animated story in Canva, and you're the artist behind it. Hey friends, welcome back. Today, I'm going to create something super fun, a cool kids cartoon animation all about biking through the colorful leaves of fall, and I'll be doing it all in Canva using my paid account. Whether you're looking to make something for your kids or just want to learn new skills, you're in the right place. This video will walk you through everything here, step by step. So by the end, if you follow my instructions, you'll be able to make great little animations yourself. Let's jump right in. Today, we're going step by step through the process of making your very own animated video in Canva. We're going to make a fun animated short sports themed video for kids. Once we're inside, choose the YouTube video option up here. You've got your blank canvas to start with. At the bottom, you'll see the pages, and you can add more by clicking this plus button right here. And many of the tips I'm sharing will be using the paid features. So if you're using the free plan, you might not be able to recreate all these effects. Remember that you can use these same basic tips for any type of video you might want to make. For your business, for school, for social media, or even just to entertain the fam. First stop, backgrounds. Let's head over to Elements and type in Park, because we need an outdoor setting. I'll stretch it out so it fills the whole page. First, we need a biker. He is already pedaling, but we need to animate him too. Let's animate him. Click on the biker, hold the mouse button down and drag him where you want him to go. Then choose Steady and click Done. To make it more interesting, let's add some trees, plants, benches, and more. Since I am working across 3 separate pages, I will add the biker and other elements to each page to make them more unique and interesting to watch. This will also help to create a more engaging video and help tie all the different details together, since the biker is moving through different neighborhoods on his ride. A very important detail to watch is how I keep changing the details of what images are in the front, middle, and back of this video, so that everything looks more realistic. This is a very important tip to remember to use in your own videos. Whenever you have more than one object, you'll see me testing quite often to see which object is in front of the other and changing their position in each scene as needed. Now, I'll start adding more details like plants, benches, and more. Pay close attention to how I position and reposition the objects to make them work in these scenes. So you may have to slow the video down to catch all the details, but feel free to watch it over and over and practice along in your own Canva account until you get these skills right. They will make your videos so much more interesting if you can do this well. Practice along inside Canva and see if you can recreate these steps. Take your time when working on projects like this. And if you don't want to have this many items in your video, that is absolutely fine. Hang in there, we're almost done with this section. Let's quickly add in the transitions between these pages. I want to take a second to highlight something really cool. All these animation skills that I'm sharing with you on this channel can be used for so much more than just kids' cartoons. Imagine bringing your business presentations to life with animated charts, creating engaging social media content with moving elements, or even spicing up personal projects like travel videos or event invites. Once you master these simple techniques in Canva, you'll be able to transform any topic into a visual experience that's truly unforgettable. And there you have it, your very own animated video, done. All that's left is to download it as an MP4, and you're ready to show it off to the world. So now that you've got these handy tricks up your sleeve, it's time to dive in and create your own animation magic. If you can master positioning elements in Canva, you'll be well on your way to making great content. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.